Imagine you're an advanced alien civilization. You've traveled across galaxies, visited countless worlds, and seen things beyond human comprehension. Then you arrive at Earth. But here's the twist: instead of studying our cities or technology, you decide to explore our oceans. What you find there shocks even your advanced minds. The alien reconnaissance team approaches Earth with their scanners active. They're expecting the usual. Land-based civilizations, primitive structures, maybe some radio signals. But their instruments pick up something unusual. 71% of this planet is covered in water. And the life readings coming from beneath those waves are off the charts. The first alien scout descends into the Pacific Ocean. Within minutes, it encounters the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth, plunging nearly 11 kilometers below the surface. The pressure here is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. The aliens' advanced sensors detect movement. Life exists here, in conditions that would crush most spacecraft like tin cans. The alien records its findings: bioluminescent creatures that create their own light in absolute darkness, fish with transparent heads, giant single-celled organisms called xenophyophores that grow larger than grapefruits. This is impossible by the aliens' calculations. According to their biological models, complex life shouldn't exist under such extreme pressure and total absence of sunlight. But it gets stranger. The alien discovers hydrothermal vents, underwater volcanoes spewing superheated water at temperatures exceeding 400 degrees Celsius. And surrounding these hellish fountains, life thrives. Tube worms, some reaching lengths of 2 meters, cluster around the vents. They have no mouth, no digestive system, yet they survive through symbiotic bacteria living inside them. The alien scientist analyzing this data is confused. These creatures have evolved to live in conditions similar to the harsh environments on Jupiter's moon Europa or Saturn's moon Enceladus. Earth's ocean might hold the key to finding life elsewhere in the universe. The exploration continues. The alien moves to shallower waters and encounters coral reefs. The scanner data floods in. A single coral reef system, like Australia's Great Barrier Reef, hosts more species diversity than entire planets the aliens have surveyed. Thousands of fish species, mollusks, crustaceans, and organisms they can't even classify. 1 square kilometer of coral reef contains more genetic variety than 100 Earth forests combined. Then the alien encounters something that breaks their understanding of individual organisms. A Portuguese man-o' war drifts by. The alien scans it expecting to catalog one creature. Instead, the scanner reveals it's not a single organism but a colonial organism made up of thousands of specialized polyps working together. Each polyp cannot survive alone, yet together they form something that appears to be one creature. The alien has never seen anything like this level of biological cooperation. The mission continues to the kelp forests off California's coast. Giant kelp grows up to 60 centimeters per day, creating underwater forests that rival rainforests in complexity. Sea otters float on their backs, using rocks as tools to crack open shellfish. The alien records this tool use in an aquatic mammal. Intelligence has evolved here in ways completely different from land-based life. But nothing prepares the alien for what comes next. Deep in the ocean, it detects a sound. Not just any sound, but a complex pattern of clicks, whistles, and pulses. The alien tracks the source and finds a pod of sperm whales. These creatures, the largest toothed predators on Earth, are communicating. The alien's linguistic analysis software, designed to decode alien languages across the galaxy, starts processing the whale sounds. The patterns are sophisticated, containing what appears to be syntax, repetition, and individual signatures. Each whale has a unique vocal pattern, almost like a name. The alien realizes these creatures have language, culture, and possibly even passed down knowledge through generations. The discovery gets more profound. The alien observes humpback whales singing songs that last up to 20 minutes and evolve over seasons. Whales in different oceans sing different songs, suggesting regional dialects. This is cultural transmission, something the aliens thought only existed in civilizations with written language. Then comes the intelligence test. The alien watches dolphins hunt using a technique called mud net fishing. They swim in circles, stirring up mud to create a ring that traps fish. The fish jump out of the water to escape and leap directly into the dolphins' mouths. This is coordinated group hunting using environmental manipulation. The aliens' database contains only a handful of species across the entire galaxy capable of this level of strategic thinking. But intelligence in Earth's oceans takes another form entirely. The alien encounters an octopus. At first, it seems simple, just another creature. But then it watches the octopus solve a puzzle, squeezing its entire boneless body through an opening the size of a coin to reach food. It watches the octopus change color and texture in milliseconds, not just for camouflage but apparently for communication and expression. The alien's bioscanner reveals something extraordinary: the octopus doesn't just have a central brain. 2/3 of its neurons are distributed throughout its 8 arms. Each arm can act semi-independently, tasting and feeling while the central brain focuses on other tasks. This is a completely alien form of intelligence, literally. Even to the alien observer, this is unprecedented. The exploration shifts to the microscopic scale. The alien sensors analyze ocean water and discover that a single drop contains millions of viruses and bacteria. These microorganisms produce half of Earth's oxygen through photosynthesis. The alien quickly calculates, humans credit their forests with being the lungs of the planet, but it's actually these microscopic ocean dwellers that make Earth's atmosphere breathable. The alien discovers phytoplankton, microscopic plants drifting in the ocean. They're so numerous that they can be seen from space, creating massive blooms visible from orbit. These tiny organisms form the foundation of the ocean food web, supporting everything from small fish to the largest animals ever to exist, blue whales. Speaking of blue whales, the alien encounters one. The scanner struggles to comprehend the readings. This creature is 30 meters long and weighs 200 tons, with a heart the size of a small car and blood vessels wide enough for a human child to swim through. Its tongue alone weighs as much as an elephant. Yet this giant survives by eating some of the smallest creatures in the ocean, krill, tiny shrimp-like animals barely longer than a paperclip. The alien calculates the efficiency. The largest animal ever to exist on Earth evolved to eat one of the smallest. This seems counterintuitive until the alien realizes the abundance strategy. Krill exist in such massive swarms that a blue whale can consume up to 4 tons of them in a single day. The investigation takes a darker turn. The alien begins noticing anomalies. Plastic debris floating in massive gyres, some particles so small they've infiltrated the food chain at every level. Chemical pollutants that the alien sensors identify as toxic. Coral reefs bleached white, dying from temperature increases and ocean acidification. The alien cross-references the data with atmospheric readings and realizes what's happening. The dominant land species, humans, are altering the planet's chemistry faster than the ocean's inhabitants can adapt. The alien has seen this pattern before on other worlds. Rarely ends well. But then the alien discovers something that gives it hope. In some regions, humans have created marine protected areas. Fish populations are rebounding. Coral reefs show signs of recovery. The alien observes human scientists tagging sharks, studying whale migration patterns, and working to understand and preserve ocean ecosystems. The alien's mission nears completion. It surfaces one final location. A bioluminescent bay where millions of dinoflagellates create a glowing blue light with every disturbance in the water. Each paddle stroke, each swimming fish, creates an explosion of living light. The alien has traveled across star systems and seen nebulas, supernovas, and cosmic phenomena beyond description. Yet this simple biological light show in Earth's ocean holds a beauty that's equally profound. The alien compiles its final report. Earth's oceans contain the largest living structure ever discovered, the Great Barrier Reef, spanning over 2,000 kilometers. They hold 94% of Earth's life, most of it still undiscovered by humans themselves. The deepest parts of Earth's oceans remain more mysterious to humans than the surface of their own moon. The alien includes a crucial observation: Earth's oceans are not just water. They're a complex system regulating the planet's climate, producing oxygen, absorbing carbon dioxide, and maintaining temperature stability. Remove the oceans, and Earth becomes uninhabitable within years. The final entry in the aliens' report notes the irony. Humans searched the stars for alien life, building telescopes and sending probes to distant worlds. Yet in their own oceans, life has evolved in forms so strange, so adapted to extreme conditions, so intelligent in ways different from human intelligence, that they might as well be alien. The reconnaissance team leaves Earth with one conclusion: if humanity wants to find extraordinary life, they don't need to look to the stars. They need to look down, into the blue depths that cover most of their own planet. The ocean isn't just part of Earth. In many ways, it is Earth. And the aliens discovered that the greatest mysteries in the universe sometimes exist in the least explored places of your own world.